guys, today we're gonna be putting random stuff in a vice grip and then absolute destroy at the end. Yay!
What the hell?
First thing we're gonna be destroying is this Lego brick.
Alright, so let's just shove it in here.
Yes.
Start closing.
Go.
Alright, let's go, guys. Oh, satisfying.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
It's about to kill me.
Oh, it's bending.
Oh, wait. It's going up. Oh.
Oh no, it's going up. It's going up.
Yo.
Yo, what is it? Wow!
Yo.
Yo, where is it? That was crazy, guys. That was crazy, yo. Stay tuned to the end for the massive giveaway. Okay, you have to stay tuned. Okay.
Wait, oh, there it is. Yo.
Okay, let's put this guy back in. Let's run it back. Let's run that back. Okay, stop the video.
Chat, it's my turn.
Yep, Vlad's turn.
Oh, this is easy, bro.
Oh yeah, dude,
Oh,
it's
it's
actually
about-
going. It's going.
Oh, it's about to kill me.
Oh, it's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again. Is it going to do it again? Oh no.
No, actually, it's getting squished.
Oh, it's actually getting swished. It's getting squished, bro. Check that out.
I'm still going.
Fire, bro. Yo.
I want to completely close it. Like,
guys, like and subscribe if you want more content like this. This is actually kind of fun, bro. Look at this, bro.
yo.
Oh, phone fell. Oh man.
So, my strong musculars are not enough to bend this completely because I am very strong, but oh my god. But the Lego brick, it done. It's
Hang
done.
on, let me try.
Let me. Oh damn.
Pancake! Yippee!
Yo, it's a boat.
It's a boat now. Okay, so this is the aftermath of contestant number 1. So
Damn.
now it's time for contestant number 2. Just to test the strength of the vice grip, we have a screw here.
Oh, that's gonna kill me.
So let's get this set up. Alright. Hang on.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so now we got the screw in. Always remember to wear protection. I'm actually going to be
They can't see
beneath
you.
this one.
They can't see you. Just like squat down.
I'm going to be wearing protection. I'm going to be beneath this one to make sure that when it goes upwards, you know, it doesn't...
But what about me, bro? I'm gonna die.
Oh, well.
Wait, I'll take it down.
This one's a strong one, guys.
I wonder why, actually.
Hang on.
Oh. Yo.
No, it's actually buckling.
Oh, damn. Oh, okay.
Oh,
it's going. It's
okay.
going, yeah.
Okay, there it goes, chat.
Oh. Uh-oh. It's gone.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, that's actually the inside of a screw.
Which
That is actually very interesting. I would expect it to be some more shiny, but it's sort of like clay almost.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's almost like clay. So that was very fun. Video.
Alright, so the next thing we're doing is we're gonna saw this guy open with this little guy. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You record.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, no, I was thinking of, like...
Guys, we do got it in position here. His head is gonna get sawed off right at that little midpoint. Oh my gosh, his leg is already coming off.
Oh, damn.
So let's just start sawing.
So, I just want to make sure he's in place. Yep. And also, one cool thing about this guy, that he glows in the dark, but not for long.
Whoa.
Oh, it smells like it's burning.
I think that you are just that strong.
Yeah, I am. Oh,
Oh.
I didn't even real. Oh, wait, where'd you go?
Okay,
Oh,
so
there it
guys,
is.
He has just
Oh.
been... Whoa. And as you can see here, we also do got the head.
Creepy ass smile.
Finding Nemo, more like, Finding your mom. Hey guys, so on the first try, it didn't really go too well, so we're just gonna stick my fingers into this dangerous machine.
Yeah, such a good idea, guys.
Yep, do not attempt this at home. Okay, now that we got him into position.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes.
Big boy scissors.
Inside, here you go.
He yellow. He has no stomach.
Yeah, maybe that's stomach acid actually when we absolutely crushed him.
That's a good point.
There you go.
Okay, guys, for the last and final item of this video, Big Pen. France.
Yay!
J'aime ne parler français, so let's just crush it. J'aime manger le chien.
Uh-oh.
You'd already sort of. Whoa.
I don't think that's very good. I'm actually gonna go this way actually.
Oh.
I'll talk to you. It's gonna go. We just straight out.
Let's straighten it out. They call me scared. Chicken jockey.
Wait, that's ink! And you said you don't want ink everywhere. Ink is... Wait, I want to see.
It's sticking.
It's full of ink. If you want to see anything from this video, then join the Discord server below by clicking on the link. Combine them. So, join the Discord server by the link below to cash in any of these. Bye, chat.
Now look at this Sigma outro.